helping you find your happiness. Decluttering your life, a fresh perspective. Feeling suffocated? Do you find yourself constantly battling the chaos around you? The clutter that seems to multiply overnight? Do you ever feel overwhelmed by your belongings, like you're drowning in a sea of stuff, unable to find a moment of peace? Is your home more of a storage unit than a sanctuary? You're not alone. Many people struggle with the same issue, feeling trapped by their possessions. Clutter affects millions of people, creating stress and anxiety. It can make you feel like you're constantly on edge, never able to fully relax. It's time to break free. Imagine the relief of walking into a space that feels open and inviting. Clutter isn't just about messy rooms. It's about the mental and emotional baggage it brings, weighing you down and holding you back. It's about the constant visual reminder of tasks undone and chaos uncontained. Imagine a life with less stress, more clarity, and increased productivity. A space where you can think clearly and breathe easily. What if decluttering could unlock a happier, healthier you? A version of yourself that feels lighter and more in control. It's time to discover a new perspective, to see your home not as a burden but as a place of comfort and joy. This isn't about achieving picture-perfect minimalism. It's about finding a balance that works for you. It's about creating a space that brings you joy and peace, a home that supports your well-being and happiness. Ready to embark on a journey to a clutter-free life? Let's dive in. Together we can transform your space and your life. Forget rigid rules and extreme minimalism. This is about making decluttering work for you and your unique lifestyle. It's about understanding the why behind the clutter and addressing it head-on. Are you holding on to items out of guilt or sentimentality? Do you struggle with letting go, fearing you'll need it someday or regret it? We'll explore practical strategies to overcome these challenges and make conscious, informed decisions about your belongings. Start small. Begin with a single manageable space. Choose one area, like a drawer or a shelf, and begin there. Focus on this space to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Sort through items, keeping only what you truly need, use, and love. Be honest with yourself about what adds value to your life. Donate, sell, or discard the rest. Letting go of unnecessary items can be liberating. Create a system for incoming items. Use labels and categories to keep things in order. Establish designated spots for mail, keys, and other everyday essentials. This reduces clutter and saves time. Make it a habit to put things back in their place after use. Consistency is key to maintaining order. Remember, small, consistent actions lead to significant results. Over time, these simple steps will create a powerful impact on your space and your life. Studies show that decluttering reduces stress and improves focus. When you clear out the unnecessary items from your living space, you create a more serene and productive environment. This not only helps in reducing anxiety, but also allows you to concentrate better on the tasks at hand. A clutter-free environment promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Imagine being able to find everything you need without the frustration of searching through piles of stuff. This sense of order can bring a profound sense of peace and tranquility to your daily life. It can even improve your sleep quality and boost your overall well-being. A tidy bedroom can lead to more restful sleep, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. The benefits of a clean space extend far beyond just physical health. Imagine coming home to a peaceful space where you can truly unwind. A well-organized home can be a sanctuary from the chaos of the outside world, offering you a place to relax and recharge. Visualize increased productivity and a renewed sense of control over your environment. When your workspace is free of clutter, you can focus more effectively and get more done in less time. This can lead to greater satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. Ready to experience the transformative power of decluttering? Start small, perhaps with a single drawer or a corner of a room, and feel the difference it makes. The journey to a clutter-free life begins with a single step. Share your journey and tips below in the comments section. You can inspire others to take control of their spaces and improve their lives. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends so we can bring you more ideas. For more videos like this to help elevate your happiness, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.